Obviously, yeah, we can't not talk about shadow banning and censorship because that is just, yeah, pure insanity. So I was like, yeah, definitely come across like shadow banning and censorship in every sense of the word. So mainly for those of you, I'm sure everyone's quite aware of it, but shadow banning is basically just when your content is either like removed or not shown to new people.
And you never really know you're on a shadow ban.
No, so so one thing that's really interesting is on Instagram you can actually check if you are shadow banned, but I found a lot of people, they'll check and they're not shadow banned, but they still notice that their reach has gone down massively, and it is for like months on end. So it's almost like a secret shadow ban on Instagram that sometimes I notice. I think as well, like what you just said, in terms of like trying to work out the social media algorithm, and obviously like we do a lot of this with client work and stuff like that, where like I can't like we will do our best, we have a lot of knowledge on shadow banning and censorship, but I can't promise your account isn't going to get deleted the next day. We do our absolute best, but it's just so unpredictable now that it's just you just don't know.